Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to TSB Bank Chatbot, a convenient and easy-to-use service that allows you to manage your accounts and get help with your banking queries. To get started, you can find the TSB Bank Chatbot on the TSB website or mobile app. First, you need to log into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, you can click on the chat icon to launch the chatbot. The chatbot will greet you and ask how it can help. You can type a message or select from a list of popular topics, such as account balance, transactions, or card services. The TSB Bank chatbot can help you with a range of tasks, including checking your account balance, viewing recent transactions, and paying bills. You can also use the chatbot to get help with card services, such as reporting a lost or stolen card, or ordering a replacement card. To use the chatbot, simply type a message and it will respond with the information you need. For example, if you type "What is my account balance?" the chatbot will respond with your current balance. You can also ask the chatbot to explain certain transactions or provide more information about a particular service. The TSB Bank chatbot is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and is a secure and convenient way to manage your accounts. When using the chatbot, make sure to keep your personal and account information secure, and never share your login details with anyone. Best practices for using the TSB Bank chatbot include being clear and concise when typing messages, and checking your account information regularly to ensure everything is up to date. You can also use the chatbot to get help with any banking queries you may have, and to learn more about TSB Bank services. In conclusion, the TSB Bank chatbot is a useful tool that can help you manage your accounts and get help with your banking queries. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start using the chatbot today and take advantage of its many benefits. Remember to always keep your account information secure, and to use the chatbot responsibly.